Dear all, I am Professor Akshay Shintre, Program Director and Associate Professor at Department of Photography. Power of images is to tell stories, evoke emotions, and capture moments that transcend time. We offer two programs, BA Photography, which is the 3 years full-time graduation program and curated for making professional photographers, and Diploma in Photography, which is 1 year part-time evening program, especially for working professionals and students who want to pursue photography as an additional hobby. The BA Photography program is comprehensive, skill-based. Here, students are trained in different genres of photography with 6 specialization projects: advanced lighting, digital camera systems, videography, video editing, and advanced image post-processing techniques. The Diploma in Photography is 1 year part-time program that provides a thorough grounding in technical and creative aspects of photography. Our program integrates traditional and contemporary techniques, embracing the evolution of art form, with hands-on projects and internships providing real-world experience. The photography department hosts exhibitions, seminars, experts workshops, which connects you with industry professionals and creating opportunities for showcasing your work. At Department of Photography, apart from curricular studies, we also offer different field visits, industry visits, and national immersion program. The study tour and rural immersion program is designed to promote holistic development in students by exposing them to diverse cultural and environmental contexts. This hands-on training experience enhances their empathy, creativity, and social awareness, both in personal growth and professional expertise in photography. Join us and not only refine your technical skills, but also develop a unique artistic voice. Your journey in photography begins in a dynamic and supportive environment where every image has the potential to make lasting impact.